Hello folks, welcome back to the Urban Rider Studio. With me today we have a jacket from John Doe. This is the John Doe Storm leather motorcycle jacket. As you can see, it has perforations on the front and the back. It is very breathable. Now I personally really like wearing leather jackets on the bike, but I have to be honest, they aren't the most breathable, unless of course they have perforations like this one. And it really is quite extensive, and actually having used it, we were quite impressed with how breathable this is for a leather jacket. That ventilation obviously serves to extend the season you can realistically wear something like this in, so it is comfortable on those hotter days, and it's still going to be comfortable in autumn or on those colder rides as long as you layer up underneath. It's always nice to have some flexibility. On to the important stuff then before I explain a bit more about the style and function, starting with the price. As of the making of this video, these are available for £360, which I think is a really good price for a leather jacket of this quality. They're available in either grey or tobacco. I think it's also quite nice to have different options for colourways other than your standard black leather. And they have a CE safety rating of level AA. Speaking of safety, they come complete with level 1 armour included at your elbows and your shoulders. It is their own XTM armour, as you can see here in this red colour. It also has a pocket if you want to include a back protector. And for abrasion resistance, obviously you have that nice tough leather. They've used cowhide leather. It's 1.1 to 1.3 millimeters thick. It's got a load of different accents and details across it. You've got these perforations on your front and your back, as I say, about as much as they could possibly fit there on the front for breathability. You've also got padded sections at your shoulders and your elbows. Those also look quite cool. You've also got pleats at your shoulders to make it more flexible. I like that from a visual standpoint. I just think they look good, but also they do function well because of course when you're reaching for the bars, it allows a bit of extra flexibility. You'll find a John Doe logo on the snap at your neckline. The neckline is also padded, so that's really comfortable against your neck. You've got YKK zippers across this. You've got that central zip on the front there. 2 pockets at your chest, 2 pockets around your waist, 2 on the inside, and you've also got one on your wrist that I don't actually know what I would store in there. Let me know in the comment section what you put in yours. It's always nice to have a bit of extra storage though. You will also find at your wrists another zipper there to allow room getting your hand in and out, and of course snaps around your waist to tighten it in. I think this is a really good looking leather jacket, but then John Doe don't tend to fail where that's concerned, in my opinion. Obviously this is a shorter fitting jacket. It is a box fit, and I will recommend as ever to check our size guide if you are thinking about ordering this for yourself. For myself, as an example, I'm a 38-inch chest. With a lot of our brands, actually I find myself between a small or a medium. I generally buy the medium for a bit of extra room, and the same would be true of this, but I can fit in a small. I will drop links to this jacket and the rest of John Doe's line in the description. Check them out if you want to. Let us know what you think of it in the comments section, and I will see you soon for more of the world's finest riding gear. Bye bye.